One thing I have learned over the years is, as colder temperatures come, seals start leaking. If they were already leaking, then they start pouring out like my lift. If they weren't leaking at all, they'll start leaking because the seals contract in the cooler weather. I've waited entirely too long to do this repair. That's a fact. Right side lift post, left side lift post. I think the lift has to be up in order to get the cylinders out, and it was low on fluid, so it wouldn't raise it all the way up, so we pushed it up with a tractor. I should probably watch videos or something on this, but I think the way you do it is I'm going to release the pressure and the cylinder right there will come down, and then we'll be able to slip it out. It's not bolted in or anything, it's just held in there. See those brackets right there? The blue ones? The cylinder just slides in there and is held by those brackets. Down here on the floor, the cylinder is just inside of that metal. There's a hole in that metal and the cylinder just sits in there. This lift has been bleeding down for quite some time, kind of like my YouTube channel. But surely they can't keep ignoring all the support I've been getting from you folks. So I hope you'll continue to hit the like button, leave comments, welcome aboard new subscribers. And if you're really wanting to show the Benny some support, share my videos. Now forget YouTube. On a human level, you guys have really boosted me up a little bit. Making videos is not as difficult as it was, reading all your comments, getting likes, and seeing that people are actually behind the channel a little bit. So let's keep pushing. Maybe we can get this thing rolling a little better than it has been. Thank you all very much. Let's get back to work. If I relieve the pressure up here, I think this black part of this cylinder will come down. Oh yeah, look. It's already coming down. And then I think we'll be able to get it out. I'll do a little cleanup while I'm waiting for these cylinders to come down, which they're coming down nicely. I put a screwdriver there to hold the lever or lever. I want to see how far I can raise this up, if it'll give me enough clearance. We need about 6 inches from the top. The bracket's got about 6 inches on the cylinder. Both sides are going up. I'll show you. Must be because of the cables. Whoo! Scared me. It wasn't up all the way. That's what that was, a safety, I think. This cylinder's supposed to be going down. Come on, do your thing. Now I can hear it flowing in here. Well, check it out, that worked. It's out of the bracket. The cylinder is now loose. So I think all I have to do now is unbolt the hose from the bottom, and this cylinder probably should pick up and come on out of there for us. Out. Cool. This pin is what fits down into the metal on the lip that I was telling you about. That's what holds it in place. This cylinder, when I went to pick this up, of course this was going like that, staying in the floor. So I used a wrench like that to hold onto that fitting, keep it pulled up while I pulled that up and out. In the bucket to drain. Whew. Doggone. What a mess. I have the cylinder strapped down to my table with some ratchet straps. Now we'll try and remove the ram or piston. This is called a spanner wrench, and I don't know if it'll work on this or not, but it's made for this, but I don't know if it's the right size. I'm gonna give it a smack. I think we got her moving. Hopefully. Yeah. Excuse my labored breathing. I am a little bit out of shape and a little pudgy. But I didn't go crying for help at the first sign of trouble. I just got it apart. We'll simply slide this ram out now, and or piston, and there should be seals at the end of it. Let's see. Seals, anybody? There you go. There you go. Right there, that's what we're looking for. First we have to take these off at the end. This is a seal, a packing or something. With those off, we can remove this critter here, and it has seals all up in it. If I can get it off. Yeah. She doesn't want to cooperate. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. I'm gonna go out the other end. Working on the other end now. I'm gonna zip this fitting off. And this should slide off of here now. Everything's so slippery. Oops, she don't want to come off there. Huh. Confused on that. Let's see. Ain't nothing holding you back. There ain't nothing holding you back but a little black paint. Should come off easy now and ensure that the new seals won't get damaged when I slide it back on. There it goes. Did you see that? Like butter. Look, whop. One more time. Ready for it? Whop. There you go. Our new Amazano kit. Let's just peek in here and see what we have. You don't want to go destroying seals, taking them out, if you don't have replacements for them. Our seal kit certainly is not a exact replacement. I can see that, and I'm actually a little worried, but let's just see. Pluck this old one out. Oh, this is the main one that we have to have right here. This is the one that's leaking. This is more of a dust seal or grime seal to keep stuff out. And what else do we have? And I think that's it. There is a seal here, an O-ring to keep it sealed up also there when you thread it. This matches absolutely nothing in our kit, so you have to love that. Check out the lube. I'm making progress. I've got the head on her. I was able to find some seals online. These are U-cup seals and a couple of O-rings. The O-ring, as I mentioned earlier, will fit on this side right here. That's just to seal the threads up so fluid doesn't get past them. On this side, in there, see that groove? The U-cup seal will go there, and I opted out of replacing this dust seal. What it does is sweeps off the cylinder, cleans it of debris and stuff, so that your inside U-cup seal will last longer. So doing it this way is costing me about 30 bucks to fix both cylinders. Little oil, hydraulic oil. Slip the O-ring in. Flipper. This U-cup has to go like the fluid pushes against this, if that makes sense. Very nice. Snap our ring back on. This wear ring right here, upon inspection, it's fine. It'll be all right. Not worried about it. Little slipper in here. Ever so carefully, we will slip this puppy back on. There she goes. Felt good. You don't want to mess up your seal. That's for sure. That'll hold. I did forget this O-ring, but that's okay. I'm gonna put a little silicone around here. It'll be just fine. I've said this before in the past. I know what I can get away with. Cylinder number 1 is done. Should be obvious, we're gonna do things a little differently this time. There's no need to take this cylinder out. I'm just gonna get this end off, put our seal and O-ring in it, and slam it back together. Now, whop. There she is. O-ring removal. There she is, and she's crusty. Little cleanup. Clean rag. Second verse, same as the first, just a little bit louder and a little bit worse. O-ring. Cup seal. U-cup seal, that is. Don't want to damage that hard to get pain in the butt seal. I always twist them. I don't know if it helps or not, but you don't want to damage that seal. Yeah. A little snug. Maybe just to make sure. One. Good. Our fitting. Almost there. One more. Yeah, yeah. Boom, done. Landed right in the hole. I'm gonna start letting it down slowly and make sure these are in the right place as it comes down. That one's good. Now this one. I think I accidentally put diesel engine oil in there. Anyways, this should start going up now when I hit the button. Huh. Maybe it still doesn't have enough fluid in it. Let me fill it up some more. I'm back. I didn't notice this was going up. You guys must have saw it, but I did not. So, let me hit the button some more. Ah, wait a minute. Let me reposition you. Okay, it's a little bit low. Let me fill it up, and she's getting ready to go up, I can tell. We'll give her the good stuff to go with that motor oil. This John Deere hydraulic fluid right here. $127 for 5 gallons of this crap. Woo! She's still eating me up. Going down. The lock is released. This might take a while. I'm sure that engine oil will make it slow down going down, but when there's weight on it, it won't be so bad. Let's see if it will lift the lube. Looking good. No leaks on this side, so that's good. A view of the other side. Doesn't get any better than that. All fixed. Everything was going swimmingly with this lift repair until I put motor oil in a hydraulic reservoir. Then I thought I only needed maybe half a gallon of fluid to top it off, so I used John Deere fluid, which is very expensive, and I miscalculated. I used much more than half a gallon, probably over $100 worth. So now I'm gonna go inside, curl up in a little ball, and cry for a while. Hopefully I'll be over it by next week's video. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.